Hi guys, so today I have a very special guest with me, Ishika Shahi. She's a very good friend of mine and we've known each other since...
Childhood.
childhood.
A lot of years.
Yeah. So today we are going to do the most likely.
Most likely to challenge.
Yeah, and so could you just like tell people about the challenge?
You told me that before.
Okay.
It's like who's most likely to do what? Like
Yeah.
there'll be like things given to us, like who's most likely to cry in public. I think Reem is most likely to cry in public. Like I do cry a lot.
Yeah.
Like,
So okay, we'll start
people,
with the challenge and stay tuned.
Okay.
So start. First question.
Forget birthdays.
I guess
When's our birthday?
27th May.
Yeah.
See?
September 6th.
That's
Seven,
Ryan's
seven,
birthday.
seven,
6th ko
seven.
Ryan ka birthday.
Seven.
See, she forgot my birthday.
But like your party and Ryan's party was on the same day. Remember
No.
once it was.
बहुत पहले था.
Yeah.
But do you remember Ryan's birthday? You don't remember my birthday. When's my birthday?
7.
8th. See, she forgot my
One day.
No, but still I remember the proper date and the month. Okay.
Okay, I'll admit that I'm very bad at remembering birthdays, so that's probably
Yeah.
me. What did you do?
Okay.
Laugh at the wrong moment.
Me. I agree.
Okay, I don't think I don't even laugh that easily, except of like Rishika's lame jokes.
Yeah, same actually. Rishika ke lame jokes. And Kuhu as well. Lame jokes.
Yeah, she cracks a lot.
Yeah. And like, it's like, okay, we had to laugh or something. She is okay. That would be
Okay,
any
spend
good.
all their money on something stupid.
None of us actually.
No, actually, that's what people think I do.
I don't think
But
we
like,
do.
stupid as in like
Not stupid,
shoes
yeah.
are not stupid.
Yeah, not stupid. Like, I also spend a lot of money, but like, not stupid. So none of us.
Yeah, none of us.
Yeah.
Okay. Cry in a sad movie. I do a lot.
I do a lot. I literally start
so
crying.
much.
Yeah.
Dude, like Ekmal in that movie just started crying at the start of it. Like in the start. Like when he's fighting with people, why am I crying?
No. Not like जब वो मर जाते हैं and all that time I started crying. I was like, shit.
Oh, what is this? Okay.
Hmm.
Skydive. Not me.
Not me.
Like never in your whole life. Same. Because I'm very scared of
Same.
heights.
Even I'm very scared.
I can't go up the slide like that and just like
No, not
have to
that
be
big,
careful.
but
no, I mean I can go, but I have to be like very careful. I don't want to
Yeah.
fall.
Yeah. Same. None of us.
Know all the words to a TV show theme song. Me, obviously. I have so much time to watch TV shows. I watch it every day.
No. Then you.
I watch a lot TV shows. Drop their phone after they bought that. That's me. That has to be me. I think you are more careful than I am, right?
Yeah. Like,
I've had so many mobiles which are lost.
20. I guess
then.
it's the 24th mobile.
Yeah, something like that.
Because the Oppo one was like 22nd.
Yeah, and I made a very huge deal about 20 seconds. So,
Yeah.
so people like know about it. Have the most piercings. I would never do it. I'm like too scared to make it like a tattoo. Not because like the
Yeah, I'm
pain
very
or something,
scared.
but-
Even I'm very scared.
yeah,
I would never ever have that. Cause
I don't know. I see piercings.
No,
they
it's like,
look
you know,
good on some people.
yeah,
but
it
not
does
on
look
me.
good,
I
like
don't
at some occasions. But it's permanent, and I don't really. Like
yeah,
it.
I
That's
don't
the-
want to.
Yeah.
That's scary. Ask some stupid questions.
I don't. I don't.
I was about to say you.
Okay. I do ask.
Like you ask like the obvious ones.
Yeah. Okay, so it
So
can be
that's
me. Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, be the best at math. Me.
No.
I'm very good. Like
I'm
not
very
very
bad at
good,
maths.
not to
I'm very
brag.
bad.
19 out of 20, not to brag.
I'm very bad at maths. Seriously, I hate
Worry
maths.
about small things.
I think I do.
I make a huge deal about them, but I don't like worry. No.
Yeah, like same, like
I
not
don't know.
worry, but yeah, I do think about that a lot. I do think about that a lot. So it's
I make like a big deal.
yeah. So both of us.
Okay. Be hungry 24/7.
Not 24/7, but like if I had lunch and then maybe after 2 hours I'll be like I'm hungry. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So, yeah.
And then my mom is like, I think you just had lunch.
Yeah. So what? Don't judge me. Oh god. Be a drama queen.
I agree.
You
I have to be a drama queen. I have to. I'm an actress. I have
Marry a celebrity. You have more
to.
chances.
Have to. I'm an actress. I have to.
Marry a celebrity. You have more chances though.
But still, like, what if you become Miss India or Miss Universe and then you can marry a
No, I'm
celebrity?
planning to become like a businesswoman or some shit.
But still, then also you'll be famous and of course you're pretty. Obviously. You're
But like,
pretty,
do you
so-
want to marry a celebrity or like it's okay?
It really depends about love. Like, if he loves me, then Like, it's not
I
nice.
could, yeah, that doesn't,
Only if he loves me. That's the most important thing.
like, celebrity is not like the in the list thing to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, be a flirt.
I'm not a flirt at all. You can ask anyone.
I mean, see, yeah. Do you like have the guts to be like to go to someone and talk to them?
You know me.
Like,
I've told you so much about that. You know me.
someone open the door also for you, be like, I think I'm gonna marry him. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know.
No, I think then I'll win in that one.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I'm more confident. Like, you know,
Cry in public. We should do
we,
that.
we both do. We both cry.
Yeah, I don't really think like, you know, if someone's looking at me or someone's not, I just like cry. No, like not always, but like, yeah, I do.
Like, I not always. Like, if something like really serious or emotional happens, like you were going to
No, but
Goa
like, yeah,
for some days. Remember?
But like,
then
will
we
you
all
cry in front of everybody?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah,
I can.
I
If you know that it's that strong emotion is there. Like, if my best friend is going for a long day, then I won't really care who's around me. Like, remember when we went to Goa
yeah.
that time, we all cried. Like, बहुत पहले की बात है, like 3 years back.
Itna, I don't remember. Then you are like, okay. Then if there's someone like who has the best memory, then you'll win.
Yeah.
Because like I don't
Yeah.
remember shit. Okay, be impatient.
I am kind of like not very, but kind of.
No, I am very like standing on line will make me sick if like
Same.
yeah, like I can't stand for so long.
Yeah,
like,
yeah. Like
someone
you know,
else do it for me,
like
please.
my birthday, like Rishika ke birthday pe like 8th August, so like 1 month to go. It's like it happens with me. Like Rishika ke birthday pe I be like only 1 month there.
Why? Because
8th August
Okay,
and
okay,
8th
okay, yeah, yeah.
September.
Oh,
See, she
that's
doesn't
why.
remember
No,
my
I-
birthday. She doesn't remember my birthday.
I just don't know why. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Fall while they're like walking.
No, I haven't. Like yeah, while I was shooting that time, I used to fall a lot.
But like you know, like I fall like a lot.
Yeah, like
I
khilte,
fall
khilte,
so
khilte.
much. Like I may run, I'll like run and stuff, and I just fall.
Yeah.
And like sometimes I'm so scared to even run that I know I'm gonna
Yeah,
fall.
remember when you fell because of Kuhu?
Like because she put like a leg in front of me and I fell down.
Yeah.
Like, even cycling.
Yeah.
Whenever I fall, she's always around me.
Yeah.
She's always around. So, like that just scares me. Like wait, Kuhu came down today. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Okay, I hope she's not watching this.
Oh. Actually knows. Get a stalker, like who will be behind you, like you now, because you're like a celebrity, so like there will be more stalkers behind you.
Okay.
Hai na? Yeah.
But people
That you-
are like people do.
No, but like
People-
you are
okay,
no
okay,
people.
I
100K.
understand.
What? Talk to animal.
I don't. I just
No,
love
I
Cookie
mean-
the most. Like
I mean,
pet.
I do have 2 dogs. 3.
3.
But like I don't like talk to them. Hi, how was your day?
Like,
No, but
like
I
Kuhu.
Kuhu, does Kuhu talk?
Like, but she like I don't know. Maybe at times.
No, I don't
we
talk.
don't. Even I don't talk.
Like, I'll say shit like they would. I know they don't understand,
Yeah.
but I still like tell them.
Oh, I love you.
Like they don't know what the hell we're talking about. Be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse. I don't think I'll be the first one. I think I know. I think I've seen many TV shows to know how to
Yeah.
survive one,
Yeah.
or like many movies and stuff. So
Yeah.
hopefully it's like that only. Okay, we finished like mostly all.
Okay. Yeah.
Always be the happy. Like you're always the happy one. Who is it? I think you.
Yeah.
You're always smiling. You're always smiling.
Thank you.
And like I'll just be there like, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, we've done a lot. Yeah, I think we've done like
Okay.
mostly all.
So
That's it.
Yeah. So hope you liked the video, and soon we'll come up with more, right?
Yeah.
So like, comment, subscribe, and share.